Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is mma'sdomain. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos, but I'm currently in my state. Yes, so guys, as you can see, I'm in the bush, but please don't mind my facial look and all of that. I was just sleeping when they woke me up, so told that I should go to the bush to go and get palm fruits that they cut for us. So that is where I'm currently in, and please don't mind my face as I said. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to smash that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my OGs, you guys know how we roll it there. Thank you so much for tuning back. So guys, I will be carrying you guys along as I do the needful. Do you understand? Yeah, despite that, I'm strong. So guys, anyways, all is well. And also don't mind my scarf. That is the only thing I can lay hold on to avoid all these things that is in the bush that can, tangle your hair and all of that. I don't want it. So that was the reason why I have to tie this hairband. But anyway, let me slay small with it. I know it's giving the deeper life or choosing vibe, but all the same, all is well. So, and before I forget, I'm still with my crew, Chisom and Chimbweze. Come and say hi to my YouTube family. Hi to my YouTube family.
Hi.
Okay. Chimbweze say hi. Chimbweze say hi.
Hi.
Good. So where are we going to? We want to go and pick what?
We want to go and pick aku.
Aku, which is palm fruits. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh yeah, bring the barrel.
No.
Chisom, don't run. Don't run. Yeah. So guys, these are the palm fruits. This one. Are you ready? Say hi.
Hi.
Chimbez, are you ready? Say hi.
Hi.
Good. Chisom, come and bring this bag.
Okay.
Hey, Chineke man, this thing is very heavy. Are you serious? How are we supposed to do this thing?
As you know, Tuesday was dead. So if I don't show it,
Okay, we're not carrot. Chisom, come and hold this thing like this for me. Chimbeza, hold this thing. Yeah.
if my dad
Cheers. Yeah. It's more than heavy. How many did you carry?
2.
You carry 2 when? Ah, this thing.
That time when you're not here.
I was born feeding the dust. I built my reputation, fought for recognition. I was raised an underdog, would take any evasion, and with
Hey, there is something I saw. See, I can't take that risk. Can you see those ants? Are you seeing those ants? Are you seeing it? Yeah. And this is the place I'm supposed to put my hand to carry these palm fruits. But at this point, me, I don't even know what to do because this thing will definitely stink. See. I don't even know what to do now. So I'm thinking of, let me just cut these palm fruits. Let me just cut these palm frond. Now, I want to cut it off from this. So, in my village, we call this Igbo. I sent someone to go and get knife for me so I can be able to cut the stuff off. So guys, that is it though. This is where I am. So guys, these are the palm fronds. These are the palm fronds. So I will go ahead to take it inside. And over there is part of the palm frond, but we are going to use it. We are going to keep it inside. Then they have to dry before we use it to cook. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, my nephew and my niece, they are taking the palm frond inside. We are going to use it for broom. Yeah. And part of it, we can still leave it for sweeping the compound. So that is it. And this is Junior, my help. I'll be my helper. He's the one to help me with that palm frond though. Hey, see ants. As area now, village area now. So now they help me do it. Juju, kudos. Shike. Come on, say hi. See, come see. He even came to help. Come say hi. Look at this place now, come. Say hi. Wave like this and say hi. Oh, come.